I found a new candy to freeze dry that I have never freeze dried before. So today we are gonna try something new in the candy department in the lovely freeze dryer. I learned about this candy from a freeze dried candy Facebook group that I am in, and it looked so good. I'd never heard of it before, but it looks good. So let's go down to my basement. I will show you what I am gonna freeze dry, and then we'll see how it turns out. And then of course we're gonna end with a taste test in some beautiful nature. Let me show you the candy that I got. Now I learned about this from a Facebook freeze drying candy group that I am a part of. I've never heard of this candy before. I've never had it, but when they showed how it looked when it was freeze dried, it looked so good. Have you guys ever had a peanut butter bar? They are called Atkinson's peanut butter bars. And we know peanut butter does not freeze dry, but it has like that same white, like nougat coating on the outside that does freeze dry. I'm thinking it'll be similar to like a Big Hunk, but with like a peanut buttery middle. Sounds like it could be amazing. So let's get these on my trays and I will show you the settings that I'm gonna be using. Going into customize, we can ignore the freeze time because when you do candy mode, it skips the freezing anyway. I'm gonna increase to, I'm sorry about the glare, 150 degrees, and I'm gonna do this for 4 hours today. Save and start. And then we just wait our 15-minute cool down cycle. Now the person who showed how they did these said they did warm them in the oven first. Certain candies do better if you get them almost melted first in the oven and then put them straight into a freeze dryer. I'm not doing that today. I have done the oven method before, but I don't know. I don't feel like doing it. It's hit and miss on whether it's safe for your freeze dryer trays to go into the oven. I have heard people say Harvest Right told them do not put trays in the oven. I have heard people say Harvest Right told them it was okay to put your trays into the oven. So make that choice on your own or consult Harvest Right if you are unsure. I've done it once or twice. I'm just not gonna do it all the time. And I wanna see how these go without doing the oven, but I will be doing a tray warm. I'm gonna have them warm the trays for like 20 minutes to get them heated up at least. Here are my candy. These look awesome. So I have not tested these yet to see what they taste like. I mean, it's the morning and I have not had any breakfast yet, so I don't want the first thing I eat to be candy. So I did save a piece for me to be able to try the original and then try it freeze dried. So make sure you stick around to see the taste test on how these turn out, because it's gonna be awesome. I've closed my drain valve. I do want to show you how we ensure that we are in candy mode. You turn this little toggle to on. We're gonna hit continue, and it's gonna ask you to warm your trays. I'm gonna hit start, and I'm gonna increase my time to 20 minutes. And there we go. It's gonna warm up our trays, and then it'll start freeze drying. We leave for the airport tonight. Our flight is at 11:50, so wish me and the children luck on this red-eye flight. It'll be fine. We're grateful that we get to fly and go visit our family down in Arizona. I've just got a lot more things I need to get done today on top of filming. That's how much I love you guys, you know. Still making videos so that we can have them for while we're out of town. But I need to go mow the lawn. The backyard grass has gotten so tall. My husband's out of town right now, so I'm gonna be a good wife and get the lawn mowed. I need to finish packing. I need to clean the house, and we need to go enjoy the sunshine here before we leave, because this is like the only sunny day we've had. That's the plan. Okay, I'm gonna go mow the lawn, and then in 4 hours we're gonna see how these do and then go test them out. I will catch y'all in a bit. Are you very proud of me. I'm proud of myself. The lawn had gotten so long and my husband won't be home for another day or two. So just give me the Wife of the Year award, okay? Just kidding. I actually enjoy mowing the lawn. The only part I hate is the grass clippings and having to bag them up and put them in the trash. It's the only part I don't like. Otherwise, I do actually enjoy mowing the lawn. So there you have it. You're welcome, Nate. Okay, so our freeze dryer is done. They didn't puff up like super big, but they did puff up some. I wonder if I would have done the oven method, if they would have puffed up bigger, but hopefully they're still gonna be crunchy and delicious. Let's pull these out and see how they're looking. Here is how they look. I am just gonna throw these into one of my Mylar candy bags, and then we need to take them down to a beautiful scenic place to give them a try. Here we are. I really like these Mylar candy bags that have the open bottom with my bigger candies. I use these for like my Jolly Ranchers and caramels, things that puff up pretty big, just because they package so much easier, and it's nice they can stand on their own. So, are you ready for a magic trick? We are here at the Eagle River Nature Center. We've got our goodies. Should we give them a try? Okay, let's do it. No. Here's the original. Oh no, okay, you need a new one. And here's the freeze dried. Okay, I gotta get Lincoln a new one because he just dropped and busted his. Cut. 1, 2, 3.
Shove. Nummy nummies.
Oh yeah. So it's similar to the Big Hunk with the white texture, but a little more peanut buttery. And there's some like cookie bits in the middle. It's pretty good. I want to try the original too. Definitely a little different. The original's pretty good. I've never had these before. Have you had these candies? I've never even heard of them, but not bad. Do you like it?
Really good.
Really good? All right. Here's our gorgeous view. I mean, that sunshine, you can't ask for much better than that. It's a little windy. You could probably hear the wind, but this is the Beaver Lodge over here. Beavers built this dam up. We don't see any out in the water though, but there's another dock down here that we're gonna head to next. So this is the observation deck here at the Eagle River Nature Center, and I mean, it is just gorgeous. I can't get over it. This was just a quick little last candy video before we head down to Arizona. We actually leave tonight. So we finally had a sunny day. I had to get my kids out and enjoy some of this gorgeous weather. But our next video, we will have some, whoa, it's getting windy. We will be able to show you our RV and all of that stuff. And we are gonna be starting our trek from Arizona all the way back to Anchorage, Alaska. It's gonna be quite the adventure. Hit that subscribe button if you wanna follow along. Turn on those bell notifications. That'll notify you when I have a new video out. And if you got any questions, drop them down in the comments below. If you want a freeze dryer, don't forget, I always have an affiliate link here in the video description below. That'll take you to the Harvest Right website where you can see what the current deals are on freeze dryers and the accessories that they have and all of that fun stuff. Everything that I use, I will have links to in my video description below. So don't forget to check there for things. We are gonna enjoy our time out here, and I will catch you all on the next freeze drying adventure. And who knows what state we'll be in. Well, we'll definitely be starting in Arizona and taking you along for the rest of our fun journey. I am so excited. Okay, bye friends.